How to enable dark mode on Google Maps. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to enable dark mode using Google Maps. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up Google Map on your mobile phone or your PC. So make sure you have the maps right here on your mobile phone. Now you can see that this is white theme, but I want to actually change it to dark theme. I don't want the light theme. Now what you have to do is you will simply open up your profile from this option right here. When you click right here, it will open up your profile. And in here we have the settings option. Click on settings and then you will find the option of theme. Here we have always in light theme, always in dark theme, and same as device theme. So you can see right here it is always in light theme, but I'm gonna change it to always in dark theme and click on save. My Google Maps has been converted into a dark mode. Now everything is dark and you can use your Google Maps also in a dark theme, and you can see right here even the water is dark now. So it is for the dark lovers. And now you can simply explore with your Google Maps in the dark theme. How to download Google Maps on your mobile phone? You can simply go to Play Store and search for Google Maps. And from here, you can simply go ahead and install Google Maps. And after that, you can simply go ahead and use your Google Maps in the dark mode. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.